if you want to adjust the brightness of your camera in the Xiaomi 17T Pro, you can do this in multiple ways. I'm going to show you three methods. So when you are in the standard photo mode, you can just click on the screen and then move this sun icon up and down to decrease or increase brightness. It works the same when you click on any part of the screen. It will adjust this brightness level automatically based on the current lighting condition. When you click here, what you can do, well, you can actually change the exposure compensation. This is something different than normal brightness adjustment. This is not the same parameter. You can go for +4, -4, and you can also reset this one. And when you get a Pro Video mode, you are also able to adjust the shutter speed, which also change the brightness level, but in a different way. And the same with the ISO level. And of course, you can still adjust the exposure compensation, but only if you set automatic shutter speed.